You know that governor of our state. If our people not get father, saying ingo entertain the finish. Entertainment ingo carry go me president for Abuja. Now Abuja go carry them go Canada for scholarship.
Canada for scholarship.
Yes.
You don't know.
Say that Canada for scholarship.
And you go follow go.
I follow go now. I never miss you. I never miss you.
You never miss me.
I'm gonna wait for that time. I stand the wait. I'm gonna meet that man. They'll show my clothes. Say, I go look sharp for president. And they go.
This. Mmakwara. Every time papa. Money shop. You no get. To eat better food. You no get. Value. If you don't check from money to but I say Mmakwara. Go to Madam Tanta shop. Tell her to give you that remaining shop. Well.
No.
Father, anyhow we want to am. Even at this night, tomorrow morning, Father, take my papa, carry him, go na property. Father, as I start now, I want follow them go Canada. Father, Lord, take them, carry them go. Carry my papa, they go, Father. I want to remain fatherless, Father. Take my papa out, Father. I really God may beg. I want to go Canada. I don't care. Father, Lord, take him in anyhow. Father, I want you to take him. You have me follow the devil, we cannot rise the second time. Father, take my papa alive anyhow. If you do spiritually, physical, take her. I don't want to see him again, Father. I want to go Canada. Father, he is blocking my way. Father, take
Come on!
Mother, yes, Papa.
What kind of prayer is that?
Mama, yes, Papa.
You want to go to Canada?
Yes, Papa. I want to go to Canada.
Are you okay?
Yes, Papa. Mama, I want to go to Canada. Look at my friend. I want to go to Canada. Papa.
So you want to go to Canada? I must buy before you go to Canada.
Yes, Papa. Because you don't lock my way. Check with Papa.
Come on, we go to Canada, Papa.
I'm telling you, I want to go to Canada. I want to go to Canada.
Can you imagine?
What is all this thing? How can you be giving me foolish money? I said, son.
What is that?
I want to know what better say to better. What about that? You want me to go before you go to Canada?
What is this about to Canada?
Who is even letting you to Canada in the first place?